And you think it's every guy that carry you through the night that you steal from? I guess you're looking for this. So it's every guy that carry you through the night you steal from. I carried you in the night because my wife is not around. I blame myself. So this is what you have been going around doing. When somebody carry you throughout the night, you poison the person and steal from him.
Yes, must hustle. Street is tough, sir.
Okay. Girls must hustle. Street is tough. Then you want to come and play that bad attitude on me. You have met the wrong person. Can you hand over everything to me now? If I count 3. Give it to me. Rubbish. You came to steal from me to make away with my hard-earned money. Because I want to patronize you. I don't blame you. Next time in your life, if you see somebody like me, you will desist and stay away from the person. Rubbish. You have wrong alone. Make sure I call the police and they deal with you mercilessly because you're a thief. Now can I have the bag? Give it to me. Who knows how many guys you have dealt with?
This thing you want me to do just to make you unconscious.
Shut up! Shut up! You want to make me unconscious so that you can steal away my hard-earned money. What is this thing? My own. Get out from this house and I don't want to ever see you close to my property. If you ever see somebody like me, start running. So next time I will deal with you. Rubbish. So this is what these girls go around doing in the name of Hookup. If you carry them throughout the night, they will poison you and steal from you. I think my goodness that I was brave enough, I was lucky enough to see her. Anyway, let me fuck up.